So today will be a 10-minute Pilates workout for your convenience. You can do this anywhere and anytime, especially helpful if you are on the road. And the reason why I do this because the holiday is coming, and so many of us will be traveling to come back and visit family. So I hope that this is gonna be helpful. And if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's do this together. Alright, now let's start by sit tall with your back in neutral, find a comfortable position. So you can either sit on the mat like this, or you can sit on a chair if it's more comfortable and more convenient for you. As long as you lengthen the spine, open the chest and relax your shoulders, and take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply through your mouth. And a couple more deep breaths here. And exhale deeply. You can put your hands on your thighs or just anywhere that you feel comfortable. Take one more deep breath and exhale deeply. Awesome. Now start to rotate your head around your neck. So inhale halfway and exhale halfway, and then reverse. One more round, fully to forward direction, and then reverse. And now lengthen the spine again. Gently pull the belly button in, rotate your shoulders fully to forward directions, and to the opposite way. Good. And then bring your head to one side. Try to dip your opposite shoulder down so you feel the stretch on the side of your neck, and go to the opposite side. And slowly bring it back to the center. Articulate your spine and then round your spine, cat and cow in sitting position. And a couple more times. Listen to your body, listen to your lower back. So also listen to the range of the movement that your body feel confident and feel good to do. Amazing. And one more time. Arch your back and bring your torso back to the center. Gently shake your hips, open your arms to the side. And now inhale, slowly lean backward. Try to open your chest. Now inhale, lift one arm up and come back to the opposite side and back to the center. So I want you to listen to your lower back here. You don't have to lean so far away, just as far as you feel good on the lower back. So pull the belly button in to support. Inhale and exhale to the other side. And 5 more times each side. Relax your shoulders. 4, and stabilize your shoulder. 3, only your arms are moving. 2, and last one. To the other side, and slowly bring your torso back. Gently shake your hips. Alright, now I want you to allow yourself to lengthen your legs as far as you can. If you are sitting on the chair, just try to lift your legs up parallel to the ground. So you already feel your abs have to work here to engage and to support the lower abs in order to lengthen the spine. So relax your shoulders. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Hand on hand to the front of your chest. Relax your shoulders and start to rotate your torso to one side. Come back to the opposite side. Back to the center. And 5 more times each side. 4, feel your obliques are twisting. 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring it back. Open your arms to the side, rotate your torso to one side. Bend your elbows, bring your hands to the chest. Open, lengthen, and rotate to the opposite side. Feel your chest is opening and stretching. Relax your shoulders to the other side. Come back. You can soften your knees a little bit if it's easier for you to open the hips and to lengthen the spine. 2 more times each side. And last one. And slowly bring your torso back to the center. Bring your hands down, gently shake your hips, take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Awesome. Now the next movement, I wanted to allow yourself to bring your arms to the front and relax your shoulders. Now round your upper spine and flex forward. And then come back and sit tall. Now if you sit on the chair, just feel free to keep your knees at 90 degrees. So make sure your hips at 90 degrees as well. Lengthen the spine and round. Move forward and then come back. Lengthen. And 9 more times. You feel the spine are stretching. Awesome. Keep breathing. And when you sit back, just make sure you lengthen the spine and relax your shoulders. Bring your shoulders down. Awesome. Couple more times with your own breath. Exhale forward and inhale. Lengthen. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. In 3, 2, and last one. Good. And slowly bring it down. Shake your hips, take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Now I'm going to challenge yourself a little bit. So if you're sitting on a chair, just lengthen your legs and keep your feet on the air. And if you sit on the mat just like me, try to lift your legs up a little bit more and lean backward. Or soften your knees and lengthen the spine just to sit by your sitting bones here and keep balance here. So now again, I'm going to inhale, lengthen your arms, pull the belly button in and start to reach one side and to the opposite side. So stabilize your hips. Keep breathing and couple more times with your own breath. Lengthen to the other side in 3. Extend the ankles. And last one. And slowly bring your torso back to the center. Hug your knees to your chest. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Awesome. And now I'm going to allow yourself to bend your knees or just keep your feet down to the mat if you sit on a chair. Hand to the opposite of your thighs. Open your torso to the back. Lift your arm up and reach a little bit further and then come back. So try to reach and feel the stretch on your shoulder and bring it back. And one more time. And come back. Switch to the opposite side. So lift and reach and come back. So listen to your body and don't have to go so far. Only to the point that you feel good with the stretching. And back to the center. Gently shake your hips again. Take a deep breath. Exhale deeply. Awesome. Now I need to allow yourself to bring your hand just next to your hips. So lean backward a little bit. Open your chest. Engage your abs. Lift one leg up and your opposite leg up. Now if you are on the chair, you can just try to lift just a little bit up or even not. It's totally fine. Listen to your body. And now slowly inhale. Hold it here for a couple of seconds. Try to open your chest slightly. Lean backward. And your abs are already working even without moving. And 3, 2, 1. And slowly bring your feet down. Round your spine. Hug your knees to your chest. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Awesome. And now the next movement, I wanted to again cross your legs or just find a comfortable position for you to sit. Lengthen the spine, interlace your fingers and try to reach all the way up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. And exhale down again. And 3 more times. Reach. Come back. 2. And last one. Now lean on one side so you can bend your elbow and pull a little bit further. Come back to the opposite side. Stretch a little bit and back to the center. Open your arms to the side. Try to reach as far as you can. Good. And now slowly bring your arm to the front and open. Lengthen the spine still. Couple more times with your own breath. Now soften your elbows around your spine. Imagine you like you hug a big bear. And then open. Exhale, round. And inhale, open. And exhale, round again. And one more time. And open. And slowly bring your hands down, gently shake your hips. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more time. Exhale deeply. Now you can pause the video here and stay here as long as you want. If you're ready, you can just take a deep breath. And that's the work of today. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you know someone about to travel and on the road, doesn't matter if it's your family, your friends, or your co-worker, feel free and don't hesitate to share it with them, because sharing is caring. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.